Get out! Don't get in my shot. Am I gonna die? I really hope I don't die. Are we gonna die, dude? Which way is it going? You gotta spot me here, dude. Is that going away? I hope not.
There's a tornado downtown. Look at it. All the debris.
No.
Really? It's flat. Right there. Right there. Yeah. I would come in. I'm going to lock this door. Calm down. I thought they were joking. That's why we're purple, huh? You have a cop now? Yeah. That was right on the other side of that building. Yeah, I think it's pretty much stopped. Look at the clouds that are going right to that spot. Oh, there's nothing going. Look at it, they're circling. Yeah. They're all over there still looking that way. All the people in that building are looking this way. Yep. That's how you don't want to know if they're over the top of their building. All that stuff is going down. That was weird. Yeah. Pretty much